is it like rolling with Kevin Worley? KDUB is just a mountain of muscle. I mean, he's like 57 years old and he's solid as a rock. I mean, his strength is incredible. He's fast for a big guy, and his technique is good. You know, there's a lot of like middle-aged old guy blue belts that, you know, you're like, it's just another middle-aged blue belt. You know, but KDUB really is something else. He really loves it, really takes it in, and really absorbs the technique and can execute it better than anybody else in the world at his age and his division. And it's just that simple. I mean, there's no other way to explain it. KDUB's the man.
One of the most aggressive wrestlers around. He'll get on top of you and he don't let you back up, and he puts your head through the mat every time. He's just a monster at all times.
Rolling with KDUB is like rolling with a bull that has really good jiu-jitsu technique. You can't quite get a hold of him and he's going to beat the heck out of you.
It's awful. It's terrible. He's constant pressure. He get fists in the throat, sometimes in the eyes. There's some eye gouging involved. Fish hooks every now and then. I mean, it's just ridiculous.
Oh, okay, should I get it?